What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining us on Honest Diecast. Today I wanted to share a trade box that I recently got from my good friend Will. He threw in one heck of a surprise for me. It's just really awesome. I'm still smiling ear to ear because I did not get a chance to get this car, but I'll go over everything that he was kind enough to give me. Another one of these Trick 62 Chevys. Such a big fan of this casting. I just recently got one for my friend Mark too, which I'm going to open, but I am going to keep this one in the collection closed. So we got that. Also the Champion Shop Trucks 62 Chevy, which I friggin' love. I love this truck. It's almost like a Zamac finish. Got the red surfboard in there. It's really nice tampos and everything. Friggin' love that truck. So he's kind of giving those too. And as far as I remember, that was supposed to be our original trade. Well, we threw in a couple extras. So the good old classic longboard 62 Chevy. Very nice casting. No surfboard in that one. And let's see. This custom 62 Chevy, which I did not have, which is freaking awesome. Super excited to get this one. Red surfboard again on that one. The Walmart truck set 62 Chevy. I did not get a chance to get this one. I wasn't collecting these yet when these were out, so I just kind of looked at them and let them go, just let them pass by. So that's really awesome. This was definitely one of my must-haves. Absolutely stoked to have this truck. And then Will knows that I like Porsches a lot, so he went ahead and tossed in a couple of Porsches for me as well. I had this one, but I think what I'll do is I'll crack this one open and we'll swap it. The 96 Porsche Carrera, the yellow one from H&J case. And then I did not have this one. This was on one of my must-haves, the Porsche 934 RSR in the Falcon livery. I do have a bunch of these, but I did not have this one in the Falcon livery, which is really awesome. So super stoked to have gotten that one. And then the other 934 RSR in the other Falcon livery. I did not have this one either. So Will was kind enough to give me those. Now, just when I thought it couldn't get any better than that, this guy went ahead and gave me a card that I missed out on an RLC this year, and I was so friggin' disappointed. And when he told me that he was giving this to me, I was just in shock and I could not believe it. But he gave me the RWB Porsche from RLC, which was the first RLC released this year. I missed out on this one. I did not get it, and the fact that he was kind enough to give this to me in exchange. I traded him the RLC Mustang that was just recently released, and I traded him something else I don't remember. Or actually, no, I gave him the RLC Mustang, and then I gave him a couple of cars, and this is everything that I got back in exchange. So I'm so grateful, so thankful for this. Gosh, this might come out and go in the display case next to all the rest of my RWB Porsches, because to this day, this is my favorite Hot Wheel casting. Friggin' stoked. And we're gonna do a video, an upcoming video. Will was kind enough to let me borrow his Tarmac Works RWB. So what we'll do is we'll attempt to pull both of these out and just kind of compare them, you know, see the pros and cons for each one between the Hot Wheels and the Tarmac Works one. I'm really excited to do that comparison between the Tarmac Works and the Hot Wheels RLC RWB. So, but anyway, just wanted to share this trade box with you guys. Friggin' awesome of Will. Will, thank you so much. You know, this is what makes collecting so great, is when you're surrounded by great people. You know, my buddy Mark just sent me the Datsun 510 Super, and then just recently before that, Will and I did this trade, and he surprised me with all these things, all these added things. And thank you so much again, Will, and thank you all for tuning in and watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before you leave, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.